Hello friends, here's another interesting craft video, and this is how we are trying to cut out this plastic glass and putting this cone paper inside that, decorating it out further. We are getting a nice rubber band look over here. This is how we are trying to paste it decorative pieces so that it looks good. And further we are trying to make this fan pattern. We are trying to put it on top so that it looks like a flying fan over here, and this is how we can decorate it out so beautifully, and this makes a nice fan. Next in the sequence is the red paper. We are trying to cut it out with different patterns and we are trying to paste it inside that so that it looks like a cork, and further we are trying to put this glass so that it makes a nice playing cork here. This is how we can play with it. Next is the straw, and we are trying to tie it with this pin so that it looks like a nice fish out here, and this is how you can play with it so nicely. Next it's an egg, and we are trying to cut it out. The yellow portion we are trying to take out, and we are putting this paper inside that, trying to pour water so that it makes a stable thing, and this is how we can put this cap on top of it, and we can decorate it with this pink clay. Further we can decorate it like this, and this is how you can have this nice playing thing. Next we are taking many ice cream stick. We are trying to paste inside one another on top of one another and tie with this rubber band so that it makes a nice play game out here. This is how we can put a stone and play with it. Next in the sequence it's bottle, empty juice bottle, and this is how you can tie this rubber band on the two parts of this ice cream stick, and upon further taking it out and tying with this rubber band we can play this game, and this is how we can play like this, putting inside water. Next in the sequence we are tying rubber band in this ice cream stick, and this is how we are making nice play game. Next in the sequence we are trying to cut it out so that it makes a nice fly bee out here. This is how we can play with it. Next in the sequence it's another cardboard. We are trying to cut it out into the shapes mentioned here and paste it on top of one another so that it makes a nice thing out here. This is how you can make your own cardboard photo booth, and you can create your game also with this. Next in the sequence it's a red color paper, and this is how we are trying to paste this juice stick on top of this so that we can create a game like this. Next in the sequence it's a cardboard piece. We are trying to paste this straw inside that so that it makes a nice sitter. Like you can have this chair over here. This is how you can create a nice chair with the help of this sticks and cardboard paper. Next in the sequence it's a play game. How we made it, we put this gel inside the shape, and this is how we are trying to make several aquatic animals over here and putting it in water so that it looks like a real animal over here. This is how we can create many things: starfish, fish, crab, watermelon. You can create whatever you wish, you can create that.